Mastering the idiom. Spread the butter. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's smooth and versatile, much like the action it describes. Welcome to our exploration of the phrase, spread the butter. This idiom is rich in meaning and is commonly used in English-speaking countries. So, let's get our linguistic knives ready to spread the knowledge. In its most literal sense, spread the butter refers to the physical action of applying butter to a surface, usually bread or toast, with a knife or similar utensil. This action is smooth, continuous, and ensures that the butter is evenly distributed. It's an everyday task, familiar and simple, yet it's the foundation for understanding the deeper, metaphorical meanings of the phrase. Beyond the kitchen, spread the butter is used metaphorically to describe various actions and attitudes in life. 1. Spreading positive influence. Just like butter adds flavor to bread, spreading positivity or kindness can enrich the lives of those around you. When someone says, they really know how to spread the butter, it often means that the person has a knack for making people feel good, be it through compliments, kind acts, or a cheerful demeanor. 2. Flattery or persuasion. Sometimes, spreading the butter can have a slightly more cunning connotation. It can imply that someone is using flattery or smooth talk to persuade or influence someone else, often for personal gain. In this context, it's akin to saying, "He's really laying it on thick," referring to the application of a thick layer of butter. 3. Efficient distribution of resources. In a business or organizational context, spread the butter can refer to the efficient and equitable distribution of resources, attention, or time. Much like ensuring every part of the toast is covered, a good manager knows how to spread the butter, ensuring that every team or project gets the resources and attention it needs. To fully grasp the versatility of this phrase, let's see it in action. 1. Positive influence. Whenever she's around, you can feel the atmosphere lighten up. She really knows how to spread the butter. 2. Flattery for influence. He's trying to get the promotion, and by the way he's complimenting the boss, it's clear he's spreading the butter. 3. Resource distribution. Our project leader is excellent at spreading the butter. Every team member feels valued and well-resourced. Whether you're buttering your toast or enriching your conversations, the phrase, spread the butter, offers a delightful way to express actions and attitudes that make life smoother and more enjoyable. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Keep spreading the butter in your language learning journey, and until next time, stay curious and engaged.